Joy toast. And now, we will be toasting the opening of Jollibee Tayuman the Jollibee Way. We will be having the Chicken Joy toast with Jollibee. Presenting to you our giant Chicken Joy bucket.
Again, let's make way po for our giant bucket. Excuse me lang po. Let's make space po for our giant Jollibee bucket. Favorite ni Mayor yan, padaanin natin. Naaamoy niyo na ba ang ating juicy at crispy Chicken Joy? The Chicken Joy toast symbolizes Jollibee's continuing mission to bring the joy of eating to everyone. We hope to give back to our loyal customers the love and joy felt every time they visit our store.
Okay, wait lang. Sir, pasok ka, sir. Okay, smile, smile.
Chicken Joy ng bawat Pilipino, hindi lang dito, kundi maging sa buong mundo. Sabay-sabay natin tikman ang napakasarap na crispy-licious, juicy-licious Chicken Joy.
In 3, 2, 1, cheers everyone! Ito, pwede nyo na pong kagataan ang ating juicy-licious, crispy-licious, at famous worldwide best Chicken Joy.
Okay, sir. Sir, picture tayo, sir. Ma'am, back po, mama. Sir, atas tayo konti. Ma'am, closer pa, sir. Sir, closer pa po. Okay, smile. Smile po. Okay. Okay, 1, 2, 3. One more. Smile. Okay.
Mayor, ano, masarap ba? Favorite ko talaga.
Okay, ma'am, picture, ma'am. Okay. Hello po, Mayor. Mayor po. Wait lang po. Isa po, mama. Itay ko lang si Mayor po.
Hi, Mayor Chi. How are you enjoying your Chicken Joy? Ubus na. O, diba? Si Mayor ay, ano, yung ko, nagtatado. Pero, silipin natin, guys. Paubos na rin. Ito na lang ang natira.
Okay, smile po. Smile. Wait lang po, wait lang. Okay, one more po. One more. Smile. One more. Alright, thank you.
Again, we would like to thank our dear Mayor and our Vice Mayor for gracing us with their presence this morning. Maraming salamat po. And it means a lot to the entire team of Jollibee Tayuman. Maraming salamat po. Lalong gaganahan ang Tayuman. Dahil sino pa ba ang nagpilit sa kanila na galingan kung hindi ang ating Mayor Isko. Maraming salamat po. Thank you everyone for joining us today and being a part of the store rededication of Jollibee Tayuman. Congratulations at mabuhay ang Jollibee Tayuman!
Now, to make this day extra special, dagdagan natin ang excitement ng bawat isa. Gusto niyo ba makitang sumayaw ang Jollibee and Friends? May I call our best friend Jollibee, together with his friends and the Bee Dancers.
Pwede palakyan. Pwede palakyan. Meron po mamaya. Meron po.